Hi everyone, thanks for being here. Let's make some hearty beef heart stew. I'm using half of the beef heart to make the stew. So what I did first was remove excess fat from the heart and the stringy bits on the interior. Then I washed it thoroughly and cut it in chunks. Seasoning time. So because I like using garlic, I added 2 full tablespoons of minced garlic, a little molasses, and my allspice seasoning blend. I have a video on the channel and I will link that for you. Of course I'm gonna cook the beef heart stew in my crock pot. Whenever I get the chance to do that, I opt for it because it allows your food to develop a lot of flavor. And so I put the beef heart in, close the lid, it's turned up on high heat, and then I just leave it to do its thing. It's been about 6 hours now since I put the beef heart or the cow heart in the slow cooker, and it's pretty tender, so I'm gonna add some more goodies to the pot. So what I have in here are some chopped up onions, green peppers, preserved tomatoes from my garden, and some of the tomato juice, along with some roasted green peppers. So I'm just gonna scrape everything in, give it a stir, and because I'm making a 1-pot meal, I am gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some cubed Irish potatoes and chunks of carrots. Then I'm just gonna stir the whole thing together. And I'm not going to put any more water in here because when I started it, I added about a half a cup of water, and then along the way I added another half a cup plus the juices that I just put in. So I'll just leave it as it is, and I'll cover the crock pot